Welcome to the Salsa Beginners tutorial number 7. In this tutorial we will teach you how to do the crossbody outside turn. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hey you wonderful dancers, welcome back. Today we're going to do the outside turn and then you can make already your own combinations. In later episodes we will go into these simple combinations and more advanced combinations. So keep on checking back to our YouTube channel if you like what you see, like our video and subscribe, because you can support us by subscribing. Leave a comment in the below section if you like. For the ones who didn't know, this is Iwona, my name is Erik. We're going to teach you today the crossbody outside turn. Keep checking back later to see more footage, more tutorials of our salsa classes. So enjoy dancing, enjoy learning, but most of all, be happy. Okay guys, we're going to do the crossbody outside turn. In our previous tutorial, number 5, we did the crossbody inside turn where the lady turns inside towards the guy. So in this combination, what we see you're going to do is you're going to turn outside. The preparation is slightly different. The steps for the leaders is still the same. So guys, you don't have to worry too much. We're going to do the crossbody lead, but we're going to teach you how to lead the lady into the outside turn. Today we're going to cover 2 hand positions. In later tutorials we're going to teach you several different combinations of the hand and making thus new combinations of the outside turn. For now we're going to start with the outside turn. The outside turn. As I mentioned before, the lady is going outside. So here's what we're going to do, guys. So we're going to prepare the lady on 1, 2, 3. We're going to go 1, 2 and 3. We're going to do it afterwards on the other side so you can see what is happening. In this I'm going to do my crossbody lead step, but I'm going to lead the lady into the right turn. Because in fact, what is it? The outside turn is actually a right turn with the crossbody lead. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to show again. We're going to start afterwards on 1. We prepare the lady. 2, 3. She turns 5. She turns 6 and 7. She faces towards me. Now that is a big difference within the crossbody inside turn where the lady faces away on 7. In this case, she turned fully around and she is we're looking towards each other. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. So what's happening actually? What we're doing? So guys, we're going to explain for the ladies, and then we're going to combine it together. We're going to do 1 basic step, 2, 3. From there, the lady is going to turn right, but as you'll notice when we do this 1, 2, 3 in a simple basic step, you don't have enough momentum to do the right turn. So now we really have to go to twist my body. So what we're going to do, ladies, at least you're going to do, is you're going to go a little bit open, 2, 3. So in this case you will be more towards the guy. Your hand is going up and you're going to turn half a turn. 5. You're standing on your left foot. 6 and 7, you're going to make a full turn, so it means that we're going to end with our back towards you guys. 7. Let's do it now from this position. You can see it how we are going to turn. So we're going back, we're a little bit open. 1, 2 and 3. You're a little bit towards the guy. The guy will be standing there. Now we're going to do a half turn. 5, we're standing on left. 6, we're standing on right. Now 7, we're going to complete our turn. And 7, you place your weight on your left foot. You can continue to 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7. All right. Now let's do that together with the lady. When I prepare the lady, we're going to do first from this side. We're going to go 1, so here's that preparation, 1, 2, 3. So she will be facing more towards me. Now guys, if you notice, this arm here is going to lock afterwards in her turn. So what you want to do actually on 3 is put your hand over her arm like this, and then she can have the space to turn. All right, so let's do that. So we're going to go 1, 2 and 3. Now remember, put the hand here over, and she's going to turn. We're going to do the basic step 5, 6 and 7. So the crossbody lead step. One more time from this side. So we have 1, 2 and close. Now she's on the right foot, she's going to turn, she's on the left foot, 6 and 7. Then we can continue to the basic step. From this side, now we're not going to stop, I'm just going to go slowly, and we go 1, 2, 3, turn 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. So this is one of the hand combinations. So we did it now from a closed position. We can do exactly the same, but from a open hand held position. Now let's try that. So what's going to happen is we're going to have the both hands, and I'm going to turn the lady. Now there is a certain moment where the lady's hands will cross the guy's hands, and you will not be able to keep her holding. So we're going to do a little trick. You're going to release the hand for a moment, and then we're going to catch it again. So when we have the hand position, we have 1, 2, 3. Now this is exactly the same preparation as we did in the closed position. We're going to bring the hand up for now, and we're going to turn the lady 5, 6. Now this is a moment where the hands are going to interlock, and if you're going to continue to turn, guys, you will feel it's not going to be comfortable. So we're going to release for not even 1 count the left hand, and she will turn. She will keep the hand there, and she will keep the hand, and I will catch it immediately, and 7. We are done. Did I go too fast? Let's just do that again. So for preparation, 1, 2, 3. The hands are going up. 5, 6. Now release very shortly, very briefly the left hand, and 7, and you catch it again. And from there, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do a third combination, or that third variation is when we put the right hand down in preparation. So we have 1, 2, 3. So the hand now is right down. 5, 6. Now here, if she turns further, you're going to be interlocked as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to release again, and we're going to catch the hand. 7. So let's do it from this side. We have 1, 2, 3. The hand is going down, right hand. 5, put it on the back. 6, release, okay, and 7, catch. And then from there you can turn the lady, I don't know, inside turn. Let's try that. Here we go, inside turn, 1, 2, 3, remember, 5 outside, 5, and turn the lady, 6, 7, remember she faces now away from the guy on 7, and then 1, 2, and 3 to finish into the basic step. Let's do it one more time. From this position with the hand down, and then we continue immediately into the inside turn. Ready, guys? 5, 6, 7, prepare, 2, 3, 5, 6, release, catch, inside turn, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Later on in another tutorial, we're going to do more of these combinations with the inside turn and the outside turn. For now, practice these steps, practice the hand position, so close position, both hands position, keep both hands up, or the right one down. All right, guys? We're now going to practice it on music. Let's do it. Alright guys, crossbody inside turn, we're going to do close position, we're going to do the open hand hold position with the hands up and one with the hands down. 5, 6, basic, close position first. Here we go, prepare on 1, 1, 2, 3, turn the lady. One more time, 5, 6, prepare, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now with both hands, we're going to go with the hands up. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Remember the release, otherwise you're going to lock yourself. Let's get it again. 5, 6, 7, open and go. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay, now we're going to do the hand down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Bring the lady back. 6, 7, 2, 3. Again. Prepare. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright? Keep on practicing. See you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you very much again for watching. If you like this video, put it a like, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, please do. Thank you very much and see you soon.